Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time I'm demonstrating it's just an AM/FM radio, the no 8-Track. It's out of a 71 Challenger going into a 73 Power Wagon. This comes from Dylan in St. Joseph, Missouri. That's my home state. It's always nice to meet someone or to do business with someone in St. Joseph. And I think I also played in St. Joseph a little bit when I was in bands in my youth. Dylan has requested the just a modern internal conversion with the new harness for greatly increased output power and also the Bluetooth and USB features. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got set AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive.
Measurement, snap a picture before you come visit, and you'll quickly be living in privacy once again.
All four channels there.
Plan to increase plant growth next spring.
Okay, good. So make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
You know privacy in your Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick.
They're now the Dignity Health Imaging Centers. That's because both imaging centers are part of the Dignity Health Yavapai Regional.
Having fun, driving my classic ride, got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Based.
Okay.
They interpret imaging studies right.
Okay, now we'll move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, now we're on FM.
Activist Charlie Kirk. He co-founded 3 checking a Desert Financial comes with a top.
So if you aren't...
Okay, and that takes care of that. There's no 8-track to test. It's almost, I feel almost naked not having an 8-track to test, but yep, this is just a radio without an 8-track. I do take those as well. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, you can call me directly at 928-533-9666. This is for paying jobs only, not to call for advice or parts or anything like that. And you can also visit my website, which is in the description below, and that has my work order on the right there on the home page where you can download and print my work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my prices and options, because that's all in the work order, and it keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So that'd be great if you could do that first before calling me, but you're welcome to call me anyway. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Dylan, for your business from St. Joseph, Missouri, my hometown, and we'll see you guys next time.